please.
I just doing something to work right now.
Are you working right now?
Yes, sir.
What are you working on?
I'm working on the calendar.
Oh. Well, can I take your picture? Because you look really cute when you work on the calendar.
No more pictures of working on the calendar, Mom.
Why not?
Because it makes boys and girls sad, angry, or mad.
Boys and girls get angry, sad, or mad when you take pictures of them while they're working on calendars?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
But I want their mom to stop when they're doing calendars working.
Okay. Sorry, baby. Can you forgive me?
Yeah.
You're not mad at me?
No, not you set the camera off.
Okay.